those of you that are interested to learn a little bit more about the background of this expedition that you saw the video of, this is part of an expedition that goes around the world. And what we are seeing here on the map is the route that goes across the Arctic. Arctic Trucks got this project 5 years ago, and this has been in our organization plan. We already had a lot of experience going up and down Greenland, and we already had been up to Isaksen with Top Gear in 2007. A very interesting expedition, but we were not comfortable about doing this one, so we got another team into that. And we also did not know if there was a possibility to get into the Arctic Ocean from the road system, like from Yellowknife. So this, what we have from Yellowknife, there is a road called the Ingram Trail. Then from February through March every year, there is a winter road made for the mining, and which basically ends up here. Then there used to be a winter road going all the way up to here. But getting to Bathurst Inlet is a bit of a, what's the kind of, what we are, this ocean here, was basically the big question. So I started studying probably 7-8 years ago for another project, if it was possible to go follow this route here. Some way using the lakes, using mountain valleys and get through into there. Later on, we were pointed out that this was very mountainous and maybe it would be better off coming down here. That's what we ended doing, and we tested this in 2022 with Transglobal, and we went through here. We did it again. We supported an expedition called pole to pole with an electric vehicle from Nissan, and that was an interesting challenge. So an example that even if we made certain route in 22, it didn't work in 23 when we did it, and this is an example of this. So in 23, when we got here, we found the route that has been used in 22 did not work because there was less snow. It was just rocks after rocks after rocks, so and big rocks, with not enough snow for us to continue. So this shows a little bit that how we tried to go through and where we finally found our route. But so now in 24, when we did it, we used the route. We basically went this way, and it worked out. But I would say the main challenge, first you're always looking at slopes and if there are any reason to be worried about going through a river or something like that. But the big challenge that turned out to be on this are the rocks. There are lots of rocks, and the rocks are half hidden or sometimes fully hidden by the snow. And when the snow has little, it's very loose and has little carrying capacity, we need a lot of, we need to be on very low tire pressure so we can pass through. But we're always afraid that a rock will damage the tire. So there's this fine balance about how do you, what tire pressure you're doing. So we are pumping up the tires to be safe, and then when we get stuck, we are deflating again and trying again until we have enough traction so we can continue. And then immediately after we inflate again. But yeah, I think this gives some explanation. Thank you.